Hey, what's up? My name's Rob. Welcome back to Rad Stuff Photo Video. It's been a minute. So the last time we spoke was about 3 months ago in this video here called The Last Hurrah, and since then quite a bit's happened. Firstly, the government essentially grounded us all and sent us to our rooms and we weren't allowed to leave the house. Secondly, Netflix put out a TV show called Tiger King, and we all had to Google whether it was real, and I can confirm those people do actually exist. And then toilet paper became currency. That one didn't actually happen. But Animal Crossing came out and we are all now in debt to a raccoon. Disney Plus was released and I watched 51 episodes of The Simpsons. My hair got so long that I now have to tie it up, and ironically, given that we were stuck inside, I made some pretty big changes to my life, and my girlfriend and I made some pretty big decisions as well, which if you stick around to the end of the video you'll see what we mean. But the reason that I'm here today is that I want to share something with you that I made during the lockdown. During the lockdown I decided it'd be cool to film at least 1 second of every day of lockdown and then put it all together at the end and just see how life looks whilst we were all locked indoors. I say every day, almost every day. And I figured what better place to shoot the intro for this video than the exact spot where I shot my last video before lockdown, The Last Hurrah, at this cool lighthouse here. So without further ado, here is 1 second of video from almost every day of my lockdown experience. See ya.
And we'll bring people's lives to their businesses.
God! It's your boy, the friendly neighbourhood drug dealer. There you go, lads! Absolute rager of the tune. California, happily ever after. First second of lockdown, boy. KFC's open again. That's super weird.